Hi Soulpreneurs, I'm Joy and I'm an online marketing and online course expert and the founder of Soul Guide Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a free ebook. This is a really good way to generate leads. So let's get started. So first, if you don't have any inspiration for creating an ebook, you can always ask ChatGPT to write an ebook for you. So for example, create ebook content on how to manifest in 5 steps. Okay. Amazing. So if we have the text, we will go to canva.com and then we're going to type in ebook. And then you have a lot of templates. So we are just going to choose, let's see, healing yourself. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. So I will just save it for now, but of course you need to implement all the text from ChatGPT inside of your ebook. Oh yeah, of course you have to save it in PDF. PDF. Okay, download. Okay, perfect. So we go back to Soul Guide Media. And first we go to sites. And first we have to create a form. So we're going to create a form from scratch. And we don't need a phone number. We can delete this too. We can call it free ebook. Okay. Yeah, you can also customize the colors, or you want to have a different background. You can customize everything. Get free ebook now. Okay. Then confirmation. Thank you. Check your email for the free ebook. Check spam. You never know. Okay. Save it. Now we created a form. Then we go back and we're going to create a funnel. New funnel, templates. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down and then you see free research and downloads. So let's see. Maybe we can type in ebook. Ebook. Yeah. Okay. Continue. Okay. Manifest your dream life in 5 steps. By now, we're just gonna put the form here to be created. Free ebook. Okay. Of course, it doesn't look really nice, but Just for an example, about you. Hey, Joy, benefits. And yeah, you can also add a pop-up with the form. Select the form, free ebook. Maybe you want to add some text. Downloads for free. Okay, save it. We don't really need a menu. We can just delete this because the only call to action is the form. Okay. Now we go back. And then we're going to create automation. So we go to automation, create workflow, start from scratch. And we're going to add a trigger form submitted. Again, like I always do, is I like to add text to my leads because it's a really good way to structure your leads. So we're gonna create a new tag, ebook download. Okay, back. Automation. Form submitted. Form is free ebook. Okay. Add tag. Ebook download. And then we're going to send an email. Send email. Name Joy. Email address. Free ebook. Ebook. Okay. Hi. I always like to make it more personal. So this is a custom value. First name. You will find the ebook in the attachment. And then you will add the attachment, the ebook. It's going to be this ebook. Okay. Enjoy. Much love. Joy. Perfect. So this is how you set up an ebook. And if you like to do some follow-ups after this, I always recommend to do that as well. So maybe you want to include a wait. Maybe you want to wait for like 7 days. And then you're going to send another email. Maybe a free discovery call. Gift for you. And then again, you can customize the email. And then maybe you want to create another automation. So for example, after 2 days, you want to send another email, maybe about your course. If you have a course, or maybe you want to share some testimonials, success story, Joy made 5K in 2 weeks, I don't know. And then you're going to customize this email again. So yeah, you can make it as long as you want. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.